Welcome back, Hotelier. Chapter 6, Part 14. Creamy Chicken Marsala Soup. Here is a yummy and creamy chicken soup that will make for the perfect meal on a cold day. Prepare time: 20 minutes. Cook time: 25 minutes. Servings: 8. Ingredients: 1 pound of baby bella mushrooms, sliced, 3 tablespoons of butter, divided, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1 white onion, peeled and diced, 1 large carrot, peeled and diced, 2/3 cup prepared chicken, shredded, 4 ounces dried pasta, any form, 2 sprigs of fresh thyme, 1 cup of cream, 2 large handfuls of fresh baby spinach, sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper to taste. Toppings: fresh lemon wedges and Parmesan cheese. Directions: 1. Add 2 tablespoons of butter in a stock pot over medium-high heat. Add the mushrooms to the pot and sauté for 6 minutes or until softened and browned. Remove your mushrooms from the pot using a slotted spoon. Place on a plate, then set aside. 2. Add your remaining 2 tablespoons of butter to the pot, along with onion and carrot. Sauté for 5 minutes, mixing occasionally. Continue until the onion is softened, then place the garlic into the pot and continue to sauté for an additional minute. Stir in your flour and mix to combine. 3. Add half of the wine to the pot, mix, then add shredded chicken, thyme, chicken stock, and remaining wine. Continue to cook until soup reaches a simmer. 4. Decrease the heat to low, then add in the dry pasta and stir. Cook for an additional 8 minutes or until pasta is al dente. Stir in the prepared mushrooms, baby spinach, and cream. Add additional salt and pepper to the soup as needed. Remove the thyme sprigs. 5. Serve soup warm, garnished with Parmesan and a squeeze of fresh lemon, then enjoy. Thank you. If you enjoy watching my creamy chicken marsala soup recipe video, then do like and subscribe my channel. Also, do not forget to turn on the notification bell.